Start to relax your body and find a comfortable position for yourself. When you are in that comfortable position, feel free to close your eyes and bring your awareness and attention from what we were just doing, from your body, now just to the gentle rise and fall of your stomach as you notice it fill with air and then gently relax. Focusing on every subtle movement that your stomach makes, feeling every little movement, and constantly staying aware of your stomach and your breath, and how being intentional with it both allows you to relax into the present moment. Because as we sit and continue to bring our awareness back to our breath and back to our stomach, our belly, breathing with air, we continue to focus on what truly matters, and that's giving ourselves back some life, giving ourselves back some energy, and focusing deeply on that subtle breath that is giving us every bit of energy that we need for the rest of the day. And now, as we move our awareness, we will now focus on simply being present, focus on the darkness with our eyes closed, and focused at this space of inner peace, quietness, and endless possibilities. Stay aware of the awareness and feel the energy in the space that is surrounded your entire body in the space you sit. And as you continue to increase your awareness, you let go of all the tension from your body and feel as if your body is not even there. And as we focus on that awareness, we can then gently move into a state where we take all of that awareness from our body and all the space around us and move into a space of awareness, focusing on joy, focusing on peace, and focusing on feeling how great it is to be alive As we take a big breath in, letting those feelings of joy, inspiration, and love fill our body, fill every cell, as we thank God and the universe for giving us all of the blessings, all of the love, and all of the kindness from the world, giving it to us right now. Because as we continue to let that energy of peace, love, and joy fill us to the brim, we become more connected to who we really are, more connected to feeling one with yourself and everyone around you, and more connected to life outside of our body and this material world. Take 3 good breaths for me as we sit in this sense of peace and love, breathing in joy and inspiration, and breathing out all of the toxic energy that rids us throughout the day. Breathing in love and breathing out hate and desire for stuff that we don't need. And breathing in peace as we exhale all of the bad thoughts and feelings that are within us. We have the power, we have the energy, and we have these feelings of abundance constantly filling our body and surrounding us. And the reason we don't always feel this way is because we let things outside of our body, outside of our world, outside of who we really are, persuade us from enjoying the sense of peace. So as we take these final few moments together, let's all sit together in a sense of peace and joy and wellness, feeling all the space and energy from everyone in our class together here as we enjoy knowing that right now, this is all that matters. Go ahead, sit, feel, and be as happy as you can be. Go ahead and relax. As we come together back after that moment of silence, we can always take this time to remind ourselves that this feeling is within us. It is always there. Sometimes we just need to disconnect, be present in the moment, and be okay with giving ourselves some time to recalibrate for the rest of the day. Take our final breath in, nice and carefully, all the way in. Fill your lungs with air. And relax all that tension, all that negativity. And slowly, whenever you are comfortable, you can open your eyes to a wonderful, beautiful new day as we are all finished for the class.